The biggest thing that I did the next time I cooked one of these is that I didn't want to be remiss and not tell you that that will solve the problem of. Yeah, it's a good portion for $10. First, 2 dinners from our Lazy Dog TV dinner selection. Did put out a short right when we got these because we were so excited. They're $10 each. They're huge, and they are made by Lazy Dog Restaurant. And so the chef does the same prep as if they were serving you in the restaurant, but instead they put them into a TV tray and seal them up and freeze them. And they're marked when they're made, and you just follow the instructions for cooking, which is 30 minutes in the oven, and then you turn it around, and then another 20, and then or you let it sit for another 5. We chose 4 different ones. I got lemon chicken. My husband likes meatloaf, so that's what we're having tonight first. And then over the next few nights, we'll try some of the others. All right, so I gotta get to cooking. Okay, we're gonna try our TV dinners. I'm having the grilled lemon chicken with citrus cream sauce. It was made from scratch on May 30th. And then my husband is going to have the house-made barbecue meatloaf. That is a huge portion. That is 2 chicken breast patties and a dessert, of course. It's better than the old-fashioned TV dinners we used to have. And then this is a huge portion of meatloaf and mashed potatoes, and a dessert, and vegetables. So I'm gonna preheat the oven. Okay, here we go. First of all, does it look like the picture?
Pretty close.
The only thing I'm missing are the little onion ring things.
Yeah, they kind of got right in the operation there. Does look just like it.
What happened to the gravy?
It just kind of got hard.
Oh, on top?
Yeah. So I'm not sure. Yeah, it tastes good.
Well, they give you plenty.
Yeah, it's a good
I
portion.
can't believe. What's that there? Is that the potatoes, mashed potatoes?
Mashed potatoes.
Wow.
And they were good with the gravy, and so this is the gravy for it. So
Oh, I see. It's barbecue.
there's the
Oh,
onions.
there's the onion rings. Or onion, what are their onion strings, probably, huh? They're crunchy. Maybe I overcooked it.
But good flavor. It doesn't taste like a frozen dinner at all. Yeah, even the veggies are really good.
Hey, you give it a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
And I got the chicken with wild rice and lemon sauce. Chicken. Oh, I think the cream got sort of melted into the rice. Now, let's see how it tastes. I'm going to try this chicken with the, I do love a good lemon butter sauce or cream sauce. So, ooh, it's definitely hot. Lemony. Look how much. There's 2 of those. If I weren't already home, I would say I'm going to have to take some of this home. And they have little almonds mixed in. I don't know what the sauce is. That's good. That's not bad at all. I'm just not a big rice person, but it is a long grain, sort of natural rice. You can have my rice. You can have my rice. We should be sitting in front of the TV. Doggies don't watch TV. You can't have a TV dinner.
Do you want a TV dinner?
Yeah, I think it's not quite. All right, we'll just go for flavor. It has a good flavor. It has big chunks of pineapple, and that's harder to get done, I think. But it has a great flavor. I'll just eat the top off of it. Well, maybe next time we'll take the desserts out and cook them separately. Okay, 2 down. Okay, next up we're going to have lasagna. Or actually, my husband is going to have lasagna. Well, this is his dessert tonight. Okay, looks pretty good. So the instructions on this one is the same. You bake it for 30 minutes and then for another 20. And then you check the dessert, which we didn't do last time, so we're learning, for an additional 5 minutes as needed. See how he likes this one. And I think the cheese on the broccoli might be burning. I don't think it needs another 20 minutes. It's really brown. And then you're supposed to leave it sitting on the counter for about 5 minutes. And they said the dessert is cooked when this comes out clean. It's clean. Okay, the dessert is cooked this time. Let's see how he likes it. That is enough for 2 people.
That is enough for 2 people.
There it
The
is.
big lasagna from Lazy Dog.
Yeah,
It all looks really good. It smells really good. That tastes good.
yeah. Good.
Perfect.
Perfect.
All right, Bubble.
Bubble says perfect for me too.
Yeah. Very cheesy. A lot of ricotta.
For some reason, they really get kind of burnt looking. Don't you think?
Yeah, it doesn't look quite like the picture.
Taste it.
Okay, so it's cheese enchilada. Are the beans hot?
Yeah, it's all hot.
Okay. So it needs to sit a little bit longer before we... It's
Yeah.
heating up quicker than what the paper says it will.
Yeah, for sure.
That's cheese enchilada. Oh, it's crunchy. What's so
A
crunchy?
little overcooked,
Okay.
but
Well, that's interesting.
it tastes good. It has good flavor. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it holds in the heat.
Okay. Well, how's the rice? See if it's all dried out because it seems to be overcooked.
Yeah, we have to cook it less.
Okay. Well, if we get that one again, definitely. That's interesting.
This is a good one.
Yeah.
Lower heat and not as long because they cook really fast.
I guess that's good if you got a TV show you got to watch. You need your TV dinner ready. Well, do I need to ask? It was good enough to eat the whole thing.
It was good. Really good. Tasty. They call it Xero.
Well, first of all, is it cooked all the way?
Crunchy on top. A little soft in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, kind of a little on the doughy.
Oh, okay.
side, but-
so maybe it.
It's actually one of the better desserts. More of a vanilla taste.
So it's not too cinnamony then.
Not at all.
Enchilada, lasagna, and meatloaf.
Meatloaf.
Okay, so out of those 3, which was your favorite?
The meatloaf was good. Lasagna was good. This one was really good.
All right, Lazy Dog, we'll be back. Hi there. So I was editing this video today and I realized that I never took the time to tell you what we wound up doing in order to fix the overcooked problem that we had. So I'm just popping in here to, well, say goodbye, but also to let you know that I decided, well, how would I be cooking a meatloaf or how would I be cooking these things, lasagna, if I were doing them myself? So one thing I did is I took them out of the freezer about a half an hour before I actually wanted to cook them, which the box says keep frozen. So I wasn't thinking that I could thaw it out. So I did that. So that gave them kind of a head start on getting thawed out. The biggest thing that I did is that I covered it with foil. When I'm cooking lasagna normally, or if I'm cooking a meatloaf, I would cover it with foil and then the last 20 minutes or so uncover it. And so once I did that, the problem of the hard, crunchy top, that went away. So I didn't want to be remiss and not tell you that that will solve the problem of overcooking. I also cooked these, but it doesn't say you can't, in my toaster oven. I have a really nice toaster oven and it's great to be able to use that and not heat up the whole kitchen. So I thought, well, I'm going to try it in there. So the temperature may vary a little bit because toaster ovens are a little different than a large oven. And as many of you know, I switched to induction cooking. And if you don't know what induction cooking is, I have a video on that. It's fascinating. Anyway, I digress. The answer to the overcooked Lazy Dog $10 dinners is to cover it in foil for the first half hour. And then when you spin it around, remove the foil and then let it cook for the last 20 minutes. And that's when you can insert the toothpick and make sure the dessert is done. Then let it sit on the counter, because I'm sure you noticed my husband was saying, woo, this is hot. It came out perfectly the next time that I cooked the meatloaf. So, and we had bought 2 meatloaves because he really likes meatloaf. And as far as I know, Lazy Dog is doing this special through the entire month of July. So if you have a Lazy Dog restaurant near you, check it out. And you can go onto their website and see all of the different types of dinners that they sell. They have a lot to pick from. I don't know, like 15 or 20, a huge assortment. And as I said in the video, they make these exactly like if they were preparing your meal for you to sit down and eat it in the restaurant. My husband loved it, and I love it because sometimes I might have a big lunch and not really want a dinner. And so it's perfect for him, perfect for me too, because I don't have to cook. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and hey, subscribe if you haven't. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye.